In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Reuters news app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to download the right Reuters news app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this Play Store app on your Android smartphone. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to Google Play Store here, where you can search for your app by name using this search bar on top. However, if you can't find this search bar, go ahead and look for the search icon down below. If you tap on it now, you can search for your app by name. And as you can see, we have our Reuters app here. So I'll tap on it and this will take us to this. Here is the app. If I tap on it, you can see Reuters breaking world news. Now, to know if it is the right app, make sure it is from Thomson Reuters. Currently, the app has a star rating of 4.6 with over 18,000 reviews and over 1 million downloads. So this might have changed by the time you're watching this. Now, when it comes to the file size, averagely, this app is 28 MBs. To get the latest version of this app, go ahead and tap on install here. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Reuters news app on your Android smartphone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and open it from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you should see we have our Reuters news app here. If you open it, this is the opening interface for your app. And directly here, you can now start interacting or reading the latest world news. So that's how you can install Reuters news app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.